Come on, let's go. Let's get these.
Come on, guys.
This is gonna be the last of the recording for this camera, I think.
The sun is over here. I'm gonna call him for you, guys.
The sun will come out.
Call him, man. This is the ribbon bird. This is the money bird.
Money bird goes over there, right?
Whoever shoots it,
No, I'm saying the last one, right?
he'll tell you money bird. He'll scream it. He's got a pink ribbon on his foot.
That's a hen bird.
The money bird's gonna be a cock bird, I bet you.
You better have a double.
We used to do money birds. We used to do them white, the white pheasants. We used to throw as
White
money birds, remember?
Yeah.
Or gold ones.
The Reese.
The off bird we used to use as a money bird. Sure do. Now let him go. Right to me.
Ci piace la ghiacciaccia, right?
Yeah. Spending,
Get those glasses, they're good glasses.
spending these old, yeah, coastals.
Telling his old.
Spending these old.
No. Lord, sempre spending his old. Mai giusto tanta gente prima.
These are my hunting glasses and my black ones that are coastals and my fishing glasses. Come on. I'm dying over here.
One time we was trap shooting and we was wondering why the boy wasn't setting up the machine. We going in, he was fucking jerking off.
Here it goes. Money bird, money bird.
Money
Money bird! Right to us, Joe. Yeah, baby! Yeah! I do got it on tape! Okay, got no problem with it. I know we hit that bird.
We did.
I know for a fact we hit that bird.
Because that bird, we hit it.
I got it on tape. We hit that bird, but we'll play it back.
You hit it?
Yeah,
That's
for
good,
sure.
Guys, that's you guys, right?
Yep.
That's good. Go get it. Go get your bird. What, another money bird?
Really? All right.
What happened?
No, we're not getting that one?
No,
Why?
I don't know.
What, doesn't that got a tag on it?
Yeah.
No, because too many people shot.
Yeah, I guess. No, we definitely hit that bird. 100%.
All right, they put two money birds out?
Yeah.
Right? That one is no good, right? I forgot.
No, but
I know.
I'm not even going to get into it.
Everybody shot at it, right?
Yeah. It's not worth arguing over.
You got the camera on?
Yeah. Of course.
You know, what's the difference down there?
Yeah. Yo, dude, I'm telling you. I know for a fact. And I can.
Yeah, we were the last two to shoot.
I'm telling you. I know for a fact. Okay, it's nothing to argue over, not a big deal. I know. I won't edit it, I promise.
Don't use the chicken.
That's two birds, eh?
I didn't come here for the money, bro. I came here to have fun, so I don't.
Oh, yeah, me too.
That's money.
What's $50? $50 ain't shit, man.
No doubt, bro.
No,
That
usually
ain't,
the
that
money
ain't the
birds.
point.
The whole 150.
Is it?
No, there's 2 birds I'm putting out. 2 money birds.
Oh,
That's it. And there's no more money birds after this?
I don't know. Oh, it's only $50?
You're supposed to be putting out 2 money birds. I don't know if that was both of them or...
Oh, okay. Because I know that some other places it was like the whole cost of a shooter. Like it would be 150 and then you split it.
Ma, si loro hanno sparato oggi perché non hanno aiutato Pia? I didn't go because I didn't think we were supposed to. I would have went.
Because they shot and then we shot bang and it went down.
Hmm?
Just the sound alone. We were the last 2 to shoot.
Hmm?
That's a shooter.
There it goes.
Let him down, let him down. Oh, look at him, he's gonna get up again. He's got some strength. Look at that bird.
They all going to that corner, man.
Wow.
That's a nice corner.
That bird had a lot of energy, man.
It's all right. We're gonna show when the dogs go out there.
I smoke cigars, I burn $100 bills when I light them.
I hear you. I just don't call something you didn't shoot.
That's too far.
Nice shot!
Nice shot!
Nice shot! You almost put it in the bucket!
I'll never forget I had my 2 dogs, Hunter and Parker, on this bird. And this cockbill was going up the hedgerow. The fucking thing came up, it was coming towards me. I shot it, it fucking hit me right in the fucking chest. Wow, we were chasing for fucking at least a fucking 75 yards. The thing was running in the hedgerow. Good old days, man. Oh, look at that wind's taking.
I love it. Well, let him come, let him come.
Ah, it's the wind is fucking him up. Ooh, he's coming around.
That's
Coming around the
That's
mountain.
another one.
There you go.
Yeah, shoot him.
It fucking
He's
shot
dead
the
already.
second time that time.
I hit him.
It's
Yeah.
me.
No,
Bang.
but I hit him the second time.
Yeah, so did I.
Yeah, perfect. The same thing we did with the
I
last
gotta
one.
move, right?
Yeah.
We're moving again?
I don't know.